Hi students, I want to start the topic is trigonometry. Most of the students they will feel trigonometry is a very tough topic, but no, if you concentrate it is very easy and interesting topic. Now I want to explain some sums which is repeatedly came in board exams. So concentrate. Okay, come to the first question. If sin a minus b is equal to half, cos a plus b is equal to half, then what is the value of a and b? Okay, he given the information sin a minus b is equal to half. Okay, sin a minus b. Already in previous video I explained trigonometric table. I hope you remember. In sin, when you will get half, sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. Yeah, did you remember? So here is equal to left hand side you observed its sign. So right hand side also you had to write it in terms of sign. Okay, sin a minus b is equal to sin, yes, half I required. Sin 30, sin 30 is half. So sin a minus b is equal to sin 30. Sin 30. Both sides you required either sin or cos or tan is equal to left hand side which trigonometric ratio he given. Right hand side also you have to write it same trigonometric ratio. Clear? That side he given sin a minus b. So you are writing is equal to right hand side also in terms of sign. In sign when we will get half. Sin 30 is half. So both sides you observed sin. So when you cancel these signs, here a minus b is left. Here it is 30. Okay, can we cancel sign? Mathematically that is wrong. Just you will imagine we cancel signs. Actually in intermediate you will learn that thing. Here sign, when we transpose to opposite side, it become a sign inverse. Sign inverse, cos inverse. How we are transposing in linear equations, these all the things. Here it's plus. When I transpose to opposite side, minus. This side it is into. Transpose to opposite side, divide by. Like that here it is sign. Transpose to opposite side, sin inverse. Then we will get cancelled sin inverse and sin. So directly don't do cancellation. Here signs. Just you will keep in your mind. Then what is the left part is that one you have to write it. That is a minus b is equal to 30. First equation we got it. Go to the next one. What he given? He given cos a plus b is equal to left hand side he given cos. So right hand side also we required cos. Cos half in terms of cos I required. Cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, cos 90. When you will get half? Yes, sin 30 is equal to cos 60. So I want half. Half means cos 60. So instead of half, I am writing cos 60 is equal both sides we want same trigonometric ratio. So here it is a plus b, here also it is 60. We got the second equation also. Now I want to either add or subtract. So add a plus a, how much? It's 2a plus b minus b, cancelled. 60 plus 30, it's 90. What we required? A here into 2, transpose to opposite side, divide by 2, that is 45. We got the value of a is 45. What we required? B also. How can you find? Either any one of the equation. Substitute. Here already we have two equations. One is a minus b is 30. Other one a plus b is equal to 60. Substitute a value in any one of the equation. So now I am substituting in first equation. A plus b is equal to 60. Already I know a value. Instead of a 45, b I had to find. So B is equal to 60 plus 45. Transpose to opposite side minus 45. So B is equal to 15. So A value you got 45. B value you got it's 15. Did you understand? In board exam, surely you will get like this question. So concentrate. Once again we listen. He given sign A minus B is equal to half. So is equal to left hand side you observed sign. So right hand side also you have to write in terms of sign. This side he given sign means opposite side also you have to get it sign. Then only we can let it be cancelled, but don't cancel. Just in your brain you have to think like that. Remaining part you have to write it as equation. Suppose he given cos, you have to write in terms of cos. Suppose he given tan, here also you have to write in terms of tan. Then you will get two equations. Solve the two equations either by add or by subtract. Then one of the term will be eliminate. The second one you will get substitute in any one of the equation. Then you will get the values of A and B. Clear? So, sure board question keep in your mind. Come to the second question. Secant square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. When you are so good in trigonometric table, then only you can answer like these questions. So surely you have to write it at the end of the booklet, at the end of the answer sheet. Immediately trigonometric table, which is very required. Very required. Surely you have to get it. Already in previous video I explained how to find the trigonometric table. Okay, like this here, he given the numerator and denominator. When you start directly numerator and denominator, you will be little confused. Are you very sure? No, I am very strong. I can do perfectly means okay, your wish you can start. Otherwise, whenever he given numerator and denominator, better to find numerator separately, denominator separately, then divide numerator and denominator. Then simplified answers are very easily you'll get it. Okay. So I want to go only numerator first. What is numerator? Numerator. Secant square 60 minus tan square 60. Do you know the value of secant 60? Yes, secant 60. Secant is the reciprocal of. Yes, it is the reciprocal of cos. So first what you required? Cos 60 how much? Yeah, think it cos 60, sin 30 is cos 60. How much? It is 1 by 2. Secant 60, reciprocal of cos. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Secant 60, reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2 by 1. So, secant 60 is 2. So, secant 60 plus you have to substitute 2. But here they are given question secant square 60. So, 2 square minus, now we require tan 60. Tan 60, how you will get tan 60? Sin 60 by cos 60. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. 2 2's are cancelled. So, tan 60 is root 3. Tan square 60. So, root 3 square. Square and root will cancel. 2 square means it's 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. It is the answer of only numerator. It is only numerator answer. Numerator answer we got it is 1. Clear? Very simple. Now come to the denominator. What is the value of denominator? Can start it. Denominator. What is denominator? Sin square 30 plus cos square 30. What is the value of sin 30? Yes, sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin square 30, 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30. Cos 30 means how much? Yes, it is exactly root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2. But he required cos square 30. So, root 3 by 2 whole square. Whole square. Okay. Sin 30 1 by 2. Sin square 30 1 by 2 whole square. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Cos square 30 root 3 by 2 whole square. Now squaring everything. 1 square, 2 square. Numerator you have to do 2 times. Denominator also. So how much you will get here? That is 1 square, 1 ones are. 2 square, 2 twos are. Root 3 square, square and root will cancel. Then 3 is left. By 2 square, 2 twos are 4. Here both the denominators are same. So directly we can simplify numerators. 1 plus 3 is 4. So denominator answer also you got it's 1. Numerator you got 1. Denominator also you got answer as 1. Now come to the complete answer. Numerator by denominator 1 by 1 that is equal to 1. Clear? Like that better to do directly will start means some maybe LCM places, otherwise when we are going for squaring, otherwise doing simplification of some part, you will be little confused. Whenever he given like this division form, split it numerator separately, denominator separately, then you will get very simple answers. Just you have to divide that numerator and denominator, it be very easy. Clear? Let's come to the next question. Root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. Okay, how can we start? Yeah, now you are in 10th class. By seeing the denominator, immediately you have to get it one idea. What is that? Did you get? What he given as it is, you have to write 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into, in denominator you observed 1 minus cos theta. So you had to multiply with 1 plus cos theta. For getting the formula, always when he given a plus b, we need to multiply with a minus b. If he given a minus b, you had to multiply with a plus b. Okay, here he given 1 minus cos theta. So you have to multiply with 1 plus cos theta. Can we write only at denominator place? No, never. Whatever you want to multiply additionally, you have to multiply at numerator and denominator also. So this 1 plus cos theta, you have to write it at numerator and denominator. So at numerator also you are writing 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Now multiply numerators and denominators. So square root of, see here numerator 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. We observe 2 times. Yes, 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. X into x, how much? X square. 5 into 5, how much? 5 square. 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, how much? 1 plus cos theta whole square. Here 1 plus cos theta is multiplied 2 times. Which one is multiplied? That is base. How many times multiplied? That is exponent. So here 1 plus cos theta whole square by, see the denominator, 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. By seeing that, did you get any formula? Yes, you are 100% correct. That is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula? A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. 1 square minus cos square. So that is equal to 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. By seeing this 1 minus cos square theta, immediately had to remind once the identities. What are the identities? Yes, exactly. You are exactly correct. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Yes, when I require sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. If you want, you can write that one also. Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. That is the formula. When I want sin square theta plus cos square theta transpose to opposite side minus cos square theta. Am I right? These three identities are very, very important. Okay. So here sin square theta is here plus cos square I am transposing to opposite side minus cos square theta. Now root of 1 plus cos theta by here 1 minus cos square theta means how much? Sin square. Sin square. Am I right? So numerator has a square, denominator also sin square. So sin theta whole square. Numerator has a square, denominator also having square. That's what whole square we can write here. Clear? So square and square root are cancelled. Square and square root are cancelled. What is left? 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Am I right? 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Why? Because square and square root are cancelled. Now when you observe the common denominator, split it. Split it. 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Okay. Split 1 by denominator plus cos by denominator. By seeing that 1 by sin theta, did you get it any trigonometric ratio? Yes. 1 by sin means that is cosecant theta. So cosecant theta plus cot theta. That is only answer. Square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal cosecant theta plus cot theta. Did you understand? Like that you have to learn all the trigonometric ratios and sums related to trigonometry. Trigonometry is a very, very important topic. Surely you have to learn these things. Okay, trigonometry means 6 trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. What are their reciprocals? Cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Okay, in the first exercise you have to learn these all the formulas. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Already related to this, I did one video. Second exercise which is related to trigonometric table. Sine 0, 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. Sine 90, it's 1. Again by reversing you will get all the values of cos. Divide of sine and cos, you will get tan. Remaining first three reciprocals. How easy this trigonometric table? These one also I already explained in previous video. If you want, you have any doubts, once check it in previous videos also. Trigonometry, don't miss it. Very useful and coming classes also. That means +1, +2. In intermediate, you have the very good scoring in trigonometric. When you are not good in basic points, obviously you won't understand the coming. So concentrate, surely you will get these all the questions in board exams. Okay, thank you. Oh, I forgot it. If you like, subscribe and share. Thank you.